The sunlight plays upon her head. I hear the sound of a gentle. Pro Trader Mike, Thursday, live in the Mojo Room. We're buying CUBA for going through the signal right there at 920 on the level 2, accumulating shares. When it touches 920 and it squeezes that 148, I will buy 5,000 out of that 14,800 that is sitting there. And this is a live trade for the world to see. A partial bid on NVGN down at 290 is still open, where we bought here at the low, and we sold up at 302, 304, 305 into the high. We have the stock completely boxed. Let's get back to Mr. Kuba right here to go test 946, go retest the top of that bar at 925. Easily. So let's put this baby on pause. For time's sake, it's 9:44 and 28 seconds. We'll revisit this thing back in 1 minute. All right, make that 10 seconds. Right back at 20, expecting a bang through right now on 1 million shares already traded up 44. Stock's going to do a fly right now. See the signal at 25? Say bye-bye. 9:44 and 58 seconds. 9:45. Trading live. Resuming live right now. NVGN on the bid right now. Fill right here. I'm going to buy 5,000 shares, but I'm only going to show 100 at 292 right here. I'm only showing to buy, and now they added on at 292. I have 5,000 shares in there. It's called hiding an order in the level 2. So I'm on the bid hiding. Filled. Going to go right here on the bid at 89. Do the same thing. That's me, 89 down there. When it runs back up to 3, I'm going to look to sell at 3. Let's go back to Cuba. Chilling right here, ready for the move. To double break the top of that, 946 and 944. Stock will rocket fly. Look what it did yesterday. Went up 3 points on 24 million shares. Stock's got a lot of volume left to go today. People that are short, going to get surprised. Live trading back in the Mojo Room. 3 minutes into the video. She's somehow closer now. Softly smile, I know she must be kind. I'll tell you right now, the more time that goes by, the odds on this trade working go down and down, so it really needs to start to make a move in either direction right now, preferably on the high side. 292 by 294 got filled right there on the bid as it got lower, and now we'll be selling through 295 and going higher. Back to Cuba. See if we can get through the 30 right now, through the 25. Here we go. Still in the same zone. UBS down here at 902 and at $9 with the big bids down there. Definitely down there with them. We'll be anticipating a drop there to buy and have it boxed between 890 to 930 and do a scale in there. The first buy right here for the room is a 10-cent zone right here. Cuba. Right here. Entry number 1, 100 shares, 910 to 20. Entry 2, 200 shares, 905 or 6 to 10. Bought, didn't get there, bought higher. Now looking to do, which we did the squeeze at 920, looking to do entry number 3, which is the biggest, and that's either down here at 920 or through that 925. Either way, we got this thing pegged. And same with this stock right here. A couple of signals right there at 32, one right there at 298. in the level 2 right there. There's the big 29 sitting there. Easy trades. All right, here we go. So we're right back at 20. The spread's wide, but they're buying the ask, so looking real nice on that. UVXY actually took a nice big gap jump just now. Market's up 210. Been trading UVXY in the Mojo room for the last couple of days as well. Here's a winner here, AGEN. 5-minute break up. Now it's coming down. See the daily. And not a lot of volume. Can't really trade that. This one, though, makes a big break back up here through 305. Get some mojo happening on it. Looks real nice. People should have gotten filled just now at 290 on the NVGN. So what I'm going to do right here is I'm going to take that 290 right there. And he's hiding share. So I just bought 1,000 at 290, but he's hiding. So I'm going to go down on the bid at 86 and 85 and buy some more. Because he's hiding shares. He's got way more to sell than 3. So I'll pick up my big block down here. I already sold over 305. And it's just a perfect scenario. I love it. Let me add some shares down here. This is where I want to buy. Watch what I do. I'm going to go INET L. So I'm going to add INET on there. I'm going to add, well, they just jumped me. So I can load up all the market makers to make it look strong. It's the trick that they play. So Cuba right now has come down a little bit. It's got to come down here to 9 with these big sizes, and then we'll grab up our third entry on Cuba. Patience. Okay, here's Cuba. It's come down to the buy. We're going to buy with these guys right down here at 909 to 902. Entry 3, part 1. So this is the part where you're going to buy 700 shares. You're going to split it into 2 parts, 300 and then 400. If you're doing 7,000, do 3,000 and I would do way more. I would do like 2,000, 2,000, all down here, and then save a big one for like a 4. All right, Novagen's going back up to 3. Looking good on that. And Cuba, we got these market makers pegged. They don't like us. We're buying on the bids and we're selling on the ask. So let's just get filled down here and buy on the bid, and then when it rallies back up at 920, we'll be way profitable. So right now on the bid, filled 895, filled 9, all down here, taking it all. These are all people stops that bought at 925. They placed a stop in 30 cents lower, and Mojo's taking all the stock in. So here's the day trading room. Filled entry 3, part 1. It's $8 and $8.96. Entry 3, part 2. Get on the bid. This is what I'm going to do. I'm going to do entry 3 right here, part 2. I'm going to complete the sequence here at 894, 895. And then if it goes lower, I'm going to buy in bigger blocks. I want to get my average to $9, 904, 903 right now. And then I'm going to buy in bigger blocks either way. When it goes back to 920, I'm going to be up a lot. So right now, 896 by 897, filling all down right here in this block, filled down to 893. So here's Cuba right now, heading back to 9. NVGN, waiting for that to make a move back over 95. And Cuba back over 9. Pausing it for a moment. Okay, so here goes the Cuba. Looking for that to head back up now through 9. Got a very nice position. Cost average, $8.99, where it is right now. NVGN average is $2.91. Looking for that to make the move above 94. So let's see what some averages are of people in the room. What's your average on NVGN and Cuba? Let's see how people scaled in with Mojo. Cuba 9, Andres 2.99, very nice. Under $3 on a little high on NVGN, bro, because we were selling there. So you should, Andres, you paid up for that stock. So did you, Federico. Compared to DC, that's 10 cents lower than you. So Trader Federico, you're brand new to the room. Trader Federico, is this your first day? And this is a proven fact that it just goes to show you right here. I put out a sign. New traders right here. You must learn the Mojo, see, it's this first day. You must learn the Mojo scaling sequence and methodology. I want you to hold off on your trading for the first few days. You're going to paper trade. You're not going to look to make a profit, because what's going to happen is you're going to take a loss when all the other Mojo traders are making a profit. It will leave a bad taste in your mouth, and you're not going to be successful with the Mojo trading team and ruin your chances for a really good place to score. Please don't look for the score today so fast. It's a trading game and a marathon. So I got to get back to the stock, because I feel right now that we're going to see a move higher on the Cuba, and I got to get back to the stock. So Cuba and NVGN. Cuba 904, NVGN 297. That's how Mojo trades, okay? So right now I'm going to sell at 296. I'm going to sell 5,000, but I'm only showing 100. So let them buy that, and we'll look good. Cuba, I'm going to sell at 9, 10, and above and do the same thing in blocks of 1,000 or 2,000. And I'm going to look to sell right here through 9, 10, because my average is under 9 at 8.99. When I first bought at 9.20 when the video first started, where the rest of the world owns. They got stocked out. I bought their stock. They think it's going to go higher. They'll chase it back up, and that's the methodology and mentality of a rookie trader, and that's why Mojo does so well, because 9 out of these 10 traders fail, and we take all their money. So that's Mojo, and there you go. How to cancel that order at 96, see if it goes through again, give it another minute. Cuba, give it a second to get through 910. And making a nice bold call right here. The Dow's up 260. I took a shot on UVXY right here at 265, 270. That's the play. Think the market comes down for a rebound. Mojo's going to score. Okay, we'll see this thing head right back. I'm going to add at 85. I'm going to add at 98. So we get a little bang going right up here live. Here's 89. There's 90 on UV. Beautiful trade. Dow's way overextended. There's 85. Here's 90 right now. Count to 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Boom. There's going to be 90 right here. Come on. You look back at NVGN. Spreads tightening up. Looks good. Cuba spread tightening up. Looks great. Go back to UV, 78. Made a nice touch at 90. All right, here goes UVXY poke number 2 at 90. Kuba poking 910. NVGN poking 295. All right, so the market's not acting friendly right here. Kuba's going to have to come off the table, profitable from a loss. Don't want to do anything to make a loss happen. Go down, can always rebuy it back. So we're going to look to come out of a little bit of Kuba. Novagen is looking good at 295 and above still. And UVXY we're still in right now, looking to tap through $23. And I'm going to add through 90 as the plan, as I mentioned. So Kuba, no harm, no foul. Didn't take a loss there. UVXY a little bit profitable, waiting for the move. NVGN profitable, waiting for the move. Very nice job selling Kuba. Just got whacked. Would consider buying it back here at the low at 890 and below from those sells above 9. So I would join these guys on the bid at 890 and below right here and get filled. 889. UVXY, get ready. So Kuba filled 889, 887. No fill at 885. So Kuba sold 902 average. And rebuy 888 average. All right, UVXY. Adding through Heinz, 23 bucks. This is called positive expectancy and will be added at 22.95 and greater. And right now we're hovering at around 90. And Kuba will sell back at 9. So right now what we're going to do with Kuba is, because we bought on the bid at 888, we're going to sell at 9 at 898. Stick out half of it and just create a box. Okay? And stick it out at 898 so when it flows up they'll nab you, and when it comes down we'll buy it. Here's 95 on Novagen, and UVXY hasn't done it yet. And now we got to do the same thing on UVXY back up at 90 because it didn't go to 95. We're going to have to sell half and rebox this back down because we bought at 65.70. So we'll sell at 90 and we'll reback buy at 65.70 and create a box there as well. They got to break one side of the box, either the low side or the high side, and we're ready for either one. Kuba, stay on the ass. They're going to take us out right now. Novagen as well. Get ready through 295. Make a rally to $3 now. And UVXY head back to 22.90. UVXY buying here, filling. Filled 22.54, 55. Told you got to buy the dips and we'll sell back into the rallies at about 80. Here we go. Let's get back up to 80. All right, we're back to 70 now on UVXY. Still the same on Novagen. Hasn't done anything. Got some big Nitzos that may have come in here to drive it down. All right, here's UVXY 71, 72. Selling here. Very, very nice trade. That's how you scale. Get ready to do the same on Cuba. I'm on the ask at 95 and above for half. Novagen hasn't done anything. UVXY will buy back under 60. Now we're on a good track with UVXY. We could start to scale in right now. Filling 2260. Get right in this area, done, get it. NVGN looks poised to move. I think I might take the 90s. Get this thing going up a little higher now. All right, here's Cuba. It's at 95. We're going to look to sell Cuba through 9. All right, the room's selling right here. 8.95, 6, 7, and 8. They're going to sell right through $9. UVXY adding to the position. When it capitulates like that and it doesn't go down, it goes up. Market's up 260. It's going to retreat a little bit. It's going to test 285, 290 again. We're going to sell. Here it goes right through 280, that signal. We're on the ass selling through that, no problem. And just got filled on Novagen for a buy at 287. So UVXY look to sell at like 85 once it breaks through 2280. And Novagen bought. Buying here, right there. Buying here. All right, here goes Cuba. Sold 898. On the ask at 9. All right, Cuba, I'm selling some more right here at 910. sold half at under 9, at 98, at 9, and 902. Selling a quarter more into this rally at 910. And then we'll see what the rest does. Filled at 910. And we'll see if we can get the rest out here 915 until it reverses. When it reverses, we're out of the rest. We're going to do the same thing with NVGN right now. Told you. NVGN bid 90, buy 92. Taking the 89. Just bought 500 at 89. Adding another 500 on the bid. Kuba touches the 20. Everybody else is even. We're up a lot of cash. That's how we do it. Okay, UVXY right now. I'm very profitable in that, and I'm going to look to sell that right up here at 285. Filled 2285. They just took some partial. I got some more out there. 80. I got it all lined up. They're going to take it all. They take it fast. It goes. NVGN right now at 95. Going for $3. Bid and buy. All right, UVXY just sold at 85 more. Now the rest goes higher. NVGN just took out the 94s. Kuba, I'm flat. Great trade. Just a super scaling, amazing Mojo U textbook trade. I'm taking it off my screen. I don't need to trade it again. Novagen, as soon as we're done with this trade, I've quadrupled my goal for the day. And I'm sure you all have as well. So UVXY was sold. That's called a great trade. Kuba sold. Great trade. Novagen sold most of it. Great trade. And that's it. Buy the dips, we'll sell the rallies. Mojo action. So we got the poll up now. It's 10:30 from the 5 trades we've done in UVXY Novagen in respect to hitting your daily goals. 6 have hit, 4 have doubled them, 1 have tripled them, and the 5 have paper traded and made money. 7 have hit. So right now it's 10:30. Business has been open for an hour. How much did you make in your hour of trading today? Because the room is like, we do our thing. How much you make today, guys? Nice, Pete. Great job, DC, a G. Chiz, you young stud, 918. Allen, like usual, 2,500 to 5 Gs a day. Nice job. Back at it, guys. Good job, Deanna, 140. Nice job, Colin, AJ, Pete. Good job. Anybody else make money in the Mojo room today? Trading these stocks, the Novagen, the UVXY, like a champ. Who else make money today? Because that's what we do here every day. 297, Bohan, nice job. Good job, Terry, 325, nicely done. Who else making money? See, UVXY could go to 23 right now. I really don't care. I'll only buy a dip and sell a rally. What it does without me. I called a short at 31 yesterday. It went to 23. I missed 9 points. I don't care. It's not how we trade. 12 people hit their goal. 4 doubled it. 1 tripled it. And everybody else paper trading has made money. We're on a 40 trade win streak right now. Anybody else make money in the Mojo room right now? Novagen's ticking up. My P&L's popping. UVXY is looking great, but I sold it. Who cares? Great day. What's happening? Let me see. Scrib 819. Nice job. UV. You could spit on me. I don't care if you go to 23. We did great. We didn't pay for anything above this. It goes 90. We didn't pay for none of that. That's it. We made our money, made our trade. Very, very happy. Very, very happy. Very, very pleased. Well, Mojo Trading signing off. Keep it profitable. I'll see you tomorrow and keep up the good vibrations.